tool, and the name of the tool is the Grab Gear 1000. Well, it's basically the best tool for an artist. It has a good sketch performance and it has a great design, which is pretty cool. Well, enough talking. Let's get to the story. It all started in my boarding school. There is no day without drawing. I'm trying to get better and better at drawing. I'm trying to make people smile with my art. And of course, every artist have their own drawing tools. And I'm having been doing, but sadly my drawing tool is kinda broken. Like seriously, every month or a semester, my mechanical pen is always broken. From a mechanical pen without a brand to a mechanical pen with a big brand, they always end up with the same. And then one day, the day where my most greatest mechanical pen that I bought with my 50k saving is broke. I feel terrible. I'm stopped drawing for at least a couple days. Until someone showed up. It was my senior. He always liked my art and always cheered for me. He came and asked me, "Yo, Vino, why don't you draw like you usually do?" And then I said, "I can't. My mechanical pen is broke." And then he said, "Do you need a new one?" Well, without doubting, I just said, "Hello." And then he gave me 100k. Then I used my other saving, like 50k saving. Tomorrow, I bought a Grab Gear 1000 for 160k for in online shop. And without 1 week, I will finally use it. Well, that's all for the story. The fact that I'm still use the pen until now, and every time I use it, I feel nostalgic with my old boarding school. Okay, that's all. Thank you for listening. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.